Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a very quick video. I just figured out something that a lot of people seems to have an issue with, and I went on Reddit and it seems like they have the same issue and no one could have a solution. I don't know if they found the solution and they didn't like share or whatever happened. I didn't even have any script for this video because I just want to share knowledge and move on. You probably clicked on this video because you do not have the publish as a website button on your templates. A lot of people here on Reddit are talking about they even like reached out to customer service. I look crazy, but anyways, they just put them into like another loophole where there's no solution. People have been having this ongoing issue. It's been a year now. So what I'm going to do is screen record my laptop while I'm doing this. I'm gonna have to dim these lights because it's literally making me blind. I even looked at multiple YouTube videos yesterday and I was like, oh wow, this is like crazy. Like no one, literally no one has put any solution for that, which is kind of crazy. Not a lot of people run through that issue because if you put on the research on Canva, publish as a website, it's gonna give you only those templates that have that button already set. So that's the number one reason why your template does not have that button, because you did not look at the beginning for publish as a website. The same happened with me. I didn't know that I have to publish as a website. Some people say that you have to have like Canva Pro, but actually you do not have to, and I'm gonna show you how right now. Let's get into it. Finally hitting record in both sides. This is my initial template. As you can see, it's like it doesn't have that button at all, and when you click on share, the best thing I could have is like share as a link, and then when you try to share it as a link, it just gives you this huge link with Canva, and then when they click on it, it's just like it looks like Canva. Basically, it doesn't look like a professional website, and that's not what we want, and that's why we are here. I had to figure out a way around this whole thing without having to do the whole thing. So what you're gonna do first is download all of your pages. Once you download it as PNG, now you have them, and then obviously you should have your videos already uploaded to Canva because you already put your videos or whatever you have. I'm doing this for UGC creation. I'm just trying to figure out that. So now we are on Canva. What you're gonna do here is publish a website. So this is going to give you publish as a website template, and that's why every single video on YouTube, they don't even take the time to do anything. They just click on the button and they don't have that issue. For us, damage is already done. We already made your template, and you don't want to waste a whole half a day to redo the whole design or the whole template. You just want to move on and try to do it as quick as possible. So I looked around and I found this modeling portfolio. This is the one, modeling portfolio. Obviously you do not have to do this. I found some issues actually with this template. So this is modeling portfolio. The first issue that I encountered is like these pages. As you can see, this is a page and this is a second page. She just put like multiple stuff on it. So each page of these are not the same size as these. So this is a little bit higher, like from the top. And then I looked and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna crop them. So when you crop them, you actually crop a little bit of your design. I had the biggest issue is with this video stuff. So if you're doing UGC and you're trying to put videos on your UGC pitching card or website, you probably wanna use a template that already has this video frames. Let me show you. Like this video frame, for example, it's hard to find. If you go to elements, I'm using the free version of Canva obviously, and if you do like insert video, we're going to the frames here, you won't find one that actually looks exactly like this with no frame on it. So here I fast forwarded the video because all I did is just copy and paste those videos from the old template to the new template that has like published as a website. So real quick I did that. Now I'm showing you the page that actually has a little bit more work to do, which is the one that has the videos. So at first you can put this as a picture with no videos. It's just a picture of the videos in the old templates, but then later on you're gonna have to remove that background and put a blank background. You're just using this background right now to put the frames of the videos exactly the same size as it was in the old template. Search engine visibility is enabled. Okay, link is enabled. So yeah, and we're gonna publish this and see what it's gonna look like, and we're gonna have like more respectful link for brands to click on, and you can use this for anything. So my website is this, copy, and you can just